Alright, so this is now the all-terrain fresh out of the car wash box, or let's say the machine was pulled through, and I was filming at ARAL, at the ARAL car wash, and they told me I'm not allowed to because they had some issue a few years back then concerning BP, and the guy who is operating the car wash said his boss wants him to slap anybody the smartphone out of the hand if he sees someone filming. So a little drastic the measures, but anyway, this is the all-terrain with the LED daylight, and especially those aerodynamically optimized 19-inch wheels have been cleaned very nicely. So it's really nicely cleaned, which you don't see with all wheels or rims. So I'm very satisfied. Quick look around, see the blue ambient lighting inside. Just a quick look around the car. Going on from the back. Nice ambient lighting in blue, animated. Very nice. Also in the rear doors. I'll make a separate video on the ambient lighting, but as you can see, it's very nice. It's everywhere. It's in the doors, it's in the cup holder, it's in the metal console, as you can see, it's in the door, in the foot area, and so on. It's one of the best ambient lightings I've seen so far. So that was a quick video from the car wash. See you later. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thank you and bye bye.